Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reinstall Microsoft OneDrive step by step in a quick and easy way. If your OneDrive is not working, missing, or giving errors, don't worry. This simple method will help you fix it in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open File Explorer. Press Windows plus E or click on File Explorer. Click on this PC. Step 2. Go to Windows Drive. Open the C, drive where Windows is installed, then open the Windows folder. Step 3. Open System folder. Scroll down and find sys.wow64 for 64-bit systems or system32 for 32-bit systems. Most computers use 64-bit, so open sys wow64. Step 4. Find OneDrive setup. Inside the folder, look for OneDrive setup. .exe. Instead of scrolling, use the search bar at the top right. Type OneDrive. Step 5. Run the installer. Click on OneDrive setup.exe. The installation will start automatically. Wait until it finishes, it will close by itself. Reinstalling OneDrive helps fix errors and reset settings without deleting your files. Step 6. Restart your computer, restart your PC to complete the installation. Step 7. Open OneDrive. After restart, open File Explorer and click on OneDrive in the left side panel. Step 8. Sign in. Enter your Microsoft account, set up sync and start using OneDrive again. Final result, OneDrive will be reinstalled. Your files will sync again normally. No data will be lost. Files stay in the cloud.